Hello there, and welcome to an unboxing of the Warhammer Age of Sigmar Warrior Starter Set. I got this on scratch-and-dent display kind of discount. Hopefully nothing inside's damaged, but I guess we'll find out in a moment. This is That Needs Adjusting. Thank you. And so I got started on my last video, if you haven't seen it, with my first Warhammer, that is, in the last 20 years. I had friends years ago help me out. Give me one little figurine I hung on to. Okay, so the little castle that comes with it's damaged. Not horrible, but it is, I mean, definitely enough to notice with the reflection right there. Aside from that, I won't bore you with the painting of all of this. I'll take much too long. I have currently the pretty much real-time painting in my other videos of the Aura Anvil Smasher dude. But really nice kits. I've 3D printed some of these kits before, or I've tried to rather, and it wasn't worth the time. If you're just starting, I really suggest you would go out and buy one of these. You just can't buy the components separately. Like if you look at it, I get 15, let's see, 18 miniatures. So here in the back of the box, it's 18 miniatures, the dice, and, you know, I guess I'll be able to blow it out, hopefully. Maybe I'll put reinforce that corner a little bit so it sits square, just never look at it again. You know, that way. But that with the rule books and everything inside, it's a pretty nice little pickup for whatever the price is that you find at your store. Get the little combat rulers. The war cards. It's just the standard work hard with all the items needed as listed. But like I was saying, you really can't go and get the stack of these, or even the dice. I think some of the really expensive big dice go for more than the whole entire thing do. You know, I think I got this for about 40 bucks on discount for 38 something or other. Core rules, and then the build sheet I wanted to look at and show you. I mean, standard rule book. Like I said though, you don't get the full-size rule book, but you get enough to get going, and it's cheaper than doing the buying this kit and then buying these books and then buying the play mat separate. So the play mat's two-sided, and it's going to be this bones and grass, And then they're kind of bones and sandy place, but you know, nice big pattern, folds up easy. Be a fun project to get into, but if you're getting into Warhammer, I suggest getting a starter kit. As said, you get more of the little bits and bobs to let you actually play the game and know the rules. And then these usually are a pretty good discount. I mean, I'll have enough to have a little skirmish pack. Yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.